Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to follow up on the metals and mining ETF that I showed you last week. This is XME. You can see over the last couple of days we have broken above this long base of consolidation that I was pointing out, and it has just been going. In fact, if you look at just the amount of green bars, it's pretty amazing. And the way I have my chart set up is just that the bar is green if it closes higher than the open. And so you can see how many closes we've had that have been higher than when it's opened. It's unreal. And so we have a real breakout here in XME, which I think is really important because on the weekly chart, as you can see, it's really just kind of been going sideways for months and months and months. So I really think that this is a sector that we want to keep an eye on and look for an entry probably closer to that daily 8 exponential period moving average. It actually had a nice upside reversal here on Friday. Of course, we had gold running on Friday. We had metals and mining running on Friday. And ever since then, it's just continued. And despite the fact that some geopolitical fear has left the market, I think it's interesting that this hasn't broken down yet. And so there's real money coming into XME, and that makes it something that I want to keep watching for the next few weeks. So I think it's worth keeping an eye on. Even if you miss the initial entry, watch for one closer to the 8-day exponential period moving average. So I hope that video is helpful. Just a quick follow-up. Hope you're trading this market well. We'll see you next time.